The indigenous Britons, they were pagan and Celtic. The energy flowed and the people respected it. Natural cycles, they were guiding them times. With love and respect, they lived tribally fine. Then conquerors came from a far distant place with their own set of values that they quickly replaced. All that was real and always been, with the profit, the greed-based controllable scheme. A calendar invented, the scheme implemented, it suited them fine, out of natural time. Just a day here, a day there, a leap year. Stupid to think, but it's still how we live now. To gain their control, they changed all the seasons, the beliefs, the festivals, the rhymes and the reasons. They smashed up solstice for a profit at Christmas. So I look at us all and I feel that we should celebrate what is real. We should celebrate what is real. And we should celebrate now. Why go along with something so wrong? And why play a part in a life with no heart? Why think the same when the truth is so plain? A majority wrong don't make a right. You've been told these lies since the day you were born about the way that the world works in its natural form. So I look at us all and I feel that we should celebrate what is real. We should celebrate what is real. And we should celebrate no! Situation to a moving generation. Clock move forward, never back. Clock move forward, never back. Now I'm walking down this corridor and I'm looking left and right. These times like this can blow your mind. It's a difficult situation to a moving generation. Clocks move forward, never back. Leaving them all like a mastermind. Way behind, leaving it all like a mastermind. Leaving it all far behind, like a mastermind, like a mastermind.